So I am Garrett Cook with Cook Home Services. I am the head coach, which basically means I manage the day-to-day operations and make sure that my team can take care of our customers. On our electrical work that we provide, number of different options here. One is, our most common is probably panel replacements, where we take an existing electrical panel in the home, whether that's a 100 amp or 200 amp service, and we either replace it with the same style service, just new, or we upgrade it to a larger service. And typically in the panel replacements, what we offer is what we call large space or large capacity panels. And that means that your home's electrical system can kind of be split up a little bit better. That way your circuits are easier to identify and turn off. And then as you want to add more circuits in the future, say you add an addition or just remodel and you want something else to do, you've got plenty of space in your new electrical panel to be able to do that. One of our other panel additions or add-ons that we do is what we call surge protection. And that whole idea is to kind of protect all the different electrical appliances in your home. So from your TVs to your refrigerators to your larger appliances like washer, dryer, heater, furnace, those types of things that are really sensitive nowadays to the power coming into your home. Surge protection kind of helps take the brunt force of something to kind of protect your home's appliances. That's the whole idea. And there's a different range of surge protectors out there. From a very strong protection to just a very simple protection. All of them do a pretty good job. So electrical backup systems that we provide, one is what we call whole home generators. And that's essentially a power source that you have for your home when power goes out, when those storms happen or something happens down your power line that you're unaware of. That way it keeps your home running, allow you to live in your home safely. So we have whole home systems, which are all the way up to about 24 kW generators that use either natural gas or propane, all the way down to what I call partial home generators, where you're running just the essentials. And that ranges anywhere from probably 7 to 14 kW generators. And then we also provide solar work as well, where you can think of almost trying to get your home off of the power grid, where you're using the sun's energy to power your home. And typically solar can do quite a few different things depending on your home. Not only powering your home's electronic devices, but you can also store that energy to be able to even sell back to your utility company.